Hello. I know it's not ideal, the noise, but we don't have much choice. It runs the tyre machine. So, sorry we haven't been posting recently. We're moving again, but not just the Aston Martin this time. We're all moving to Scotland. So, we're having to prepare for that and get everything together. So at the moment what we're doing is taking the original tyres, well not original, but you know, original to when we bought them, Avon tyres. We're taking them off the rims and because it just makes it far easier to transport. I mean, this rubber is so thick and so heavy, you know, it's got a bit of weight to it, you know, and if you look at the rims when you take it off, they're really light, you know, you can kind of see the difference. Oh. So yeah, that's why we're doing that. Anyway, so that's the plan. So apologies for not posting enough. It's just the way it is really. With moving house and all, you know, we've got a lot to get through. But, I hope this lets you know that we are alive and we are still committed to fixing the Aston Martin. We haven't given up, not yet. Anyway, you can watch us change a tyre, which I don't know if is the most interesting thing in the world, but yeah, I know, it's something. Oh, this is a tough one. This is a really tough one. It's just sod's law that this one had to be the hardest one to get off. Pliability. Right, so you have this here, and you press the pedal and give it a little rotate. You see it pulls the tyre off the bead, and when you get to around there, you can pull your pry bar up, and it comes all the way around, and there you are. That's one side. Now, oh lovely, you can hear me properly now. I don't know if any of our audio will be usable, but we'll see. Now you've got one side off. With these tyres, they've got tubes in them. Most tyres don't, but it shows you the age. So, anyway,
even though
a bit more annoying.
it does say
tubeless.
I think if you can see that, that's upside down, but
you get the point. They obviously
can
put
you
tubes
imagine
in it to keep it alive.
doing 155 miles an hour within a tube thing?
Hence why they've obviously got terrible. I mean, this one's okay actually, but most of them got really thick stacks of weight. So it's obviously because they put tubes in it. And when you put tubes in tyres, it makes them far worse with balancing. They obviously did it because of the speed, so it must be Swedish roads or something. I don't know. Weird. Anyway, 119, I don't know when, 80s.
Tube. Avon. It actually says Avon as well.
Maybe they were fitted from factory then.
For racing, maybe?
Yeah, it must
who knows?
have been. Weird. These are also Avon tyres. Next is the other bead. So it's very much similar to the first one. Get down here, and you see the bottom bead there. Try and get it in. And then this tyre is really stiff, this one.
If I lift it.
Yeah, there we go, thank you. Right, and if you film from here, here you go, see. So we got the bottom.
So yeah, you get the bottom
lip in here, you get it over onto this.
See this guy here? This here, there's a ridge there.
You can pull it.
You have to make sure it's on there.
There you go, see it's on it now?
It's not quite, is it?
Yeah, but this will put it.
Okay, I'll get out of the way.
Observe, lastly.
I'll hold that.
See,
Yeah,
there you go. And now we'll just pull it off. And there you are. That's how you change a tyre. Sorry, it's sweaty. It's the
First hot day in the UK.
It's 18
We're not
degrees
used to it.
outside
18 Celsius.
in March.
All the Americans are going, what
Sorry.
are you?
Yeah,
What are you
sorry,
on about?
not Fahrenheit.
Well, they're going, 18, that's not very high. Even then, that's what, like 80 Fahrenheit or something? It's not much. But we don't have air conditioning in this country. So
It's not Fahrenheit, no, it's...
I don't know what it is in Fahrenheit. 100 Fahrenheit's 40 degrees Celsius, I think, something like that.
I have no idea. Never worked out. It's old money.
You guys can tell us.
Yeah. Right.
Anyway,
Well
we're not dead.
Well,
So.
well done.
Oh,
Go on then.
right. This is our good mate Fred Liddle, and he's been very nice and let us store the car here for quite a while. It's very kind of him. Fred's been here for, how long have you been here now? 31 years. 31 years. And yeah, actually, you may have seen him on Britain's Got Talent, I don't know. But
Fastest red buzzer ever.
yeah.
I've got the record
Yeah.
Playing what?
at the Theremin.
Indeed.
You have to look at it.
Yeah.
If you don't want that is, look it up.
Brilliant instrument. But yeah. Apparently Simon doesn't like it very much, sadly.
I think
But,
Fred's got more hits, doesn't he, than we have?
yeah, it's true.
183,000.
Wow.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, so I mean, we were here 5 years ago restoring the Mercedes,
Which you didn't document.
no, we didn't. Sadly, didn't document that. Probably for the best, to be honest. But I mean, we've been coming to you for years now.
The cameraman has,
Yeah.
Yeah, Fred did all. Sorry, I got cold. Fred has looked after our cars since 2001. When that Mercedes was white, he used to MOT it. I can't remember. There's been a Jag, a Volvo, Land Rover, a couple of Land Rovers. Yeah, some pictures of the. In fact, I think there is a. In fact, you said a video of the Volvo, not the Volvo, the Mercedes when it was here years ago.
Very good for somebody.
Yeah, I'll try and dig that out and I'll play that because that was here. And what's happening?
At the end of the month, it's all over. The end of FRL goes to motor services.
Which is a real shame.
End of an era.
Real end of a era and brilliant service to the community. But you're going to carry on, aren't you? Close by.
Will be carried on in the lesser capacity.
But not in here. This workshop's going. You can see the car right there. Our car. Well, what's left of it. And that's going to go as well up to Scotland.
Yeah. There we go.
Hey, Bonnie Scotland.
Yeah, exactly.
You'll all have accents in a couple of years' time.
I hope not.
We won't.
Beastie back.
I haven't got one. I grew up there.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Oh,
I think that's it. Anyway, thank you, Fred. Been brilliant.
bye bye.
Thanks very much.
See you later.